It's around here. I want to show you exactly how to create a GIF or a GIF for your sales letter or whatever it is. So I just did a YouTube video that I uploaded, and it's called a B2B lead generation tutorial. And as soon as I did my whole search engine optimization and everything, it went first straight away to the third place of YouTube. Okay. So now when I went to Google, I'm going to go to incognito and I type B2B lead generation tutorial. I just wanted to see on Google, where does it come up? Okay. Now you'll see here that obviously there's videos that come up. You can't see me here, but when you switch, you could see me right here. Okay. So I wanted to demonstrate that in a video. Okay. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So first of all, I'm going to open QuickTime Player, and I'm going to open the incognito again as well. Now I'm going to open the QuickTime Player, and I'm going to click on new screen recording, and I'm going to record this whole screen like here, and I'm going to hit enter, and I'll just do a quick demonstration to show what it looks like. Okay, good. So there you go. So now I've got these two videos. I've got one which is Google, how I did it on Google, and the second one is YouTube. Okay. So first thing that you can do when you do something like that is you can actually immediately trim it. Okay. So first of all, let's trim the beginning, because some of the beginning was kind of not necessary. There you go. So up to here. So that's fine. Now here in the end, yeah, that's okay. Now trim. Okay, great. So now it's 41 seconds. Now, I want to, not only that, I would prefer to also cut it in half. But for now, let's just save it. So you got to close it. And I'm going to call it Google YouTube B2B link, lead generation tutorial. Okay. Save it. Now, what I'm going to do, I've saved it here, and I'm going to copy it. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to make a copy. There you go. So then it will appear twice, right? Oh, hang on. Duplicate is what I meant. There you go. So you duplicated it. So now I'm going to label this one the YouTube. It's the Google. This one will be the Google one. And this one will be the YouTube one. Okay. Now, on the Google, I'm now going to trim it further. You will give me an option to trim it. There you go. Because this is the point that I now wrote YouTube. So I don't need that part. It's just a 15 seconds thing, right? Good. So now I'm going to trim that. Now that's a done deal. I can now save that. So I'm going to call it Google B2B lead generation tutorial GIF. Okay. I'll just call it like that. Save. It will say replace, and I'll say yes, replace. Now you'll see that it's much shorter. Now I'm going to do the same thing for YouTube. Okay. And I'll do exactly the same thing. Now I'm not going to go put you through that pain of watching me doing it again. But now you go to Chrome and then you say GIF Creator Online or GIF Creator Online. I use this one, Animated GIF Maker. You can probably test a whole bunch of files, Googled and saw which one worked. Choose files, and we're going to click the Google one. You'll see this is the smaller one because I just trimmed it. And then upload and make GIF. Now you'll see right here, it's now 50% being created, 82%, 87, 86, done. There you go. And this is what the GIF will look like. There you go, perfect. Okay. So now I can also move it, start time, make it 2 seconds. Oops. Hang on. Make it 2 seconds and convert again. Okay, perfect. So now what you want to do is just download it, save, and he downloaded it straight away. I'm going to open it. And here it is. Now, I don't think it will show straight away that way, but as you can see, these are the sequence of the GIF, okay, by images. So when I upload it to WordPress, it's going to be an image-looking GIF. And I'll show you the example, a demo of what it would look like. What was the name? Yeah, there you go. I'll show you what it will look like. Obviously, it will be a different GIF, but you'll get the idea. So here it is. Here's a GIF, me going through a screen. And this is what it would look like. And you just upload it as an image to the WordPress and it will work perfectly. So there you go. Hope that helps. This is how you can create a GIF out of a video or something like that. It's very good for sales letters and so on and so forth. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. I continue to upload regular tutorials, helpful videos, things like that. So go ahead and subscribe. Otherwise, leave a comment if you have any questions. Let me know where you're from. Okay, tell me where you're from. I want to know where you're from and what's your name and a little bit about you. And yeah, looking forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks a lot.